What's going on YouTube? We're back today with another Madden 15 Ultimate Team video. Today we have a couple of badge pack openings and a quick sell opening, and I think that's it. What else? Oh yeah, we have this bonus player pack, so I'm just go ahead and open that. So we'll do the badge packs, do the bonus player pack, and then do the quick sell last. Let's get into it right now. Let's just start off right with these badge packs, and of course, one bronze badges. That's what I was expecting. Yep, just 4 bronzies. 4 bronze badges for me. Then do this community thing, and we got okay, we did get a silver badge, so that's good. And we got a gold badge, so that's also good. And we got that legacy, or whatever it is, not legacy. What the hell is that thing called? Whatever it is. And then we get the 4 bronzies. The loyalty thing. Alright. Now I'll open this bonus player pack. So we only got 1 gold out of that. A gold and what else? We got a gold, a silver, and then the rest were bronze. What is this? What douse is this thing? Can I sell these? No. Who's going to use any of these players? I don't know. Who would use any of these players this time of year? What are they all quick sell value? 180 for quick sell value. Awesome. Can't do anything with them. You can use them. But, don't really want to use them. Because everyone I have on my team is a lot better than them. And I don't even play. So those don't do anything for me, so that's sad. I thought I would get like a loyalty collectible thing. That's why I opened it here. I don't know. I don't know what they're doing. What am I doing? Oh, the quick sell. Put that silver badge in there, because that's what I really needed, and yeah. Alright. 1 large quick sell. Now that could be good things. We can get 1,000,000 coins, which would be pretty nice. 1,000,000 coins. We can get 1,000 coins, which is the lowest amount you can get, or we could get like 500,000, 100,000, so on. And yeah. So let's do this. I just want something good. I've done 2 of these. I pulled, maybe I've done 3. I don't know. I pulled 1,000 out of one. I'm pretty sure I pulled 10,000, and I don't know if I did any more than that. I remember those 2 clearly. I might have done more. I don't remember. So let's just do this. We'll just go open it. Just please be something good. Please be something good. So it's worth doing it. Okay. Yeah, well, honestly, I broke even to 16s. I broke about even, honestly. That's about how much a quick sell costs to do. Maybe a little bit more. What do silver badges go for right now? About 2,000. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These you can just find. So that, let's just say, well, I have them. So let's just say 16K, 17K. And then I had the gold badges in stock, and what, they're going for like 3K right now. They might be going for 2K still. So they're cheap. So I broke about even. That's not a bad quick sell. If you're going to do a quick sell, I'm happy with that. 20K or more is a good large quick sell. Anything less than that is kind of bad. 20K, I'll take it. Yeah, you didn't screw me this time. Thankfully. And that bonus player pack, why did they give us that? Who is gonna use a 91 Luke Keek, 91 watt? I just don't understand it. Who's gonna use these? A 91 watt, a 90 Aaron Rodgers, and 88 Von Miller. Then you give us 88. No one's wants an 88, EA. And an 86. Everyone on my team is better than this. I don't have a starter under that. That's kind of sad. Oh no, Reese, but he's a fullback, so that doesn't count. All right, I don't understand what they're doing, but it's that EA logic. But that's it for this video, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I'm out. Till next time, as always, do work.